JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, man promised much-needed kidney ended up being sacrificed instead. Please remember to subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. The mother of one of the victims of Sunday's triple killing at the Kevin Smith-led Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Paradise, St. James, is claiming that her son was tricked into visiting the church with a promise of a much-needed kidney. According to 58-year-old Sharon Parkins, her son, 38-year-old Michael Scott Brown, who succumbed to stab and gunshot wounds suffered at the church, was admitted at the Conroe Regional Hospital with a kidney-related problem and received a call to visit the church. Parkins further said that after receiving the call, her son discharged himself from the hospital with medical tubes still attached to his body. Him sick with him kidney and did admit to the hospital. And me da look say if him dead, it wouldn't be because him kidney fail him. Me never da look for them kill him at the very same church that him a go, said the grieving mother. The mother, who was at her home in Orange District, also in St. James, said her son, who leaves behind a 12-year-old daughter, did not live with her, but they were always in close contact. The last time we talked to him was one day in the last week, said Parkins, who said her son resides in the neighboring community of Irwin. According to Parkins, she was a member of the church, but she became uncomfortable with the behavior of the pastor, and so she stopped attending. Me never know say I saw the pastor stay. As since lately me know say I saw him stay. Me used to go to the church, but after me see how the pastor spin one people, me say no sir, this a can't right, so me no better go back, said Parkins. According to Parkins, persons who allegedly witnessed her son's murder told her that when he arrived at the compound, the pastor, who had started his ritual, told him that he was of unclean blood and was not worthy to go on the heavenly journey aboard an ark. She said she was later told that a leader of the church pulled out her son's hospital tubes and shouted that he was not worthy. I hear that when my son see him do that, him turn, and I try to run and then run him down and stab him in the neck and shoot him in the back, Parkins said. Parkins said she first heard about the incident at the church in the news, but did not know her son was among the victims, as he was supposed to be in the Conroe Regional Hospital. Subsequent to the incident, she learned from the hospital that he had discharged himself. However, before she was able to file a missing person report with the police, she got the sad news from other church members that he was killed at church. Meanwhile, Brown's sister, 21-year-old Petrina Malcolm, described him as a kind, loving, and caring individual who would never deserve to die in that manner. It was a tough kind of older brother who encouraged me to read my Bible, learn the 10 Commandments, encouraged me to go to school, study, and always told me to save, said Malcolm. I am feeling bad, sad, and angry that he was killed in that manner. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.